Hey y'all, welcome back to Keep Austin Seared. We have a special one today. It's a little bit different. We are switching it up and we're going to show you 3 recipes this time. They are, however, the 3 fastest, easiest, you can barely call them recipes. If you need a last minute Thanksgiving side, you're in the right spot. As you can see, we've got a lot of squash here, a cornucopia, if you will. We're gonna be making some roasted acorn squash with brown sugar and butter. We're gonna be making some roasted delicata squash. You don't have to peel either of these. It is so fast and easy. And I'm also gonna be showing you how to make 2-ingredient pumpkin muffins. Don't forget to stay until the end of the video for the full written list of ingredients and instructions for all 3 recipes. And don't forget to like and subscribe too. Let's get started. For the roasted acorn squash, we're going to start by slicing them in half lengthwise and removing the seeds. Cutting squash is never easy. Use a sharp knife and don't chop off your fingers. Okay, we're going to put a little bit of salt and pepper. Now in each half, we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And that's it, they're ready to go in the oven. We're gonna bake them at 350 for about 45 minutes. All right, y'all, 2-ingredient pumpkin spice muffins. We actually make these all the time because they're so simple. They make a great Saturday morning breakfast for my sons. They love them. All you have to do is mix 1 can of plain pumpkin, not pumpkin pie filling, plain pumpkin, and 1 box of spice cake mix. Stir to combine. This will make 9 muffins. We're gonna go ahead and fill our muffin tins. And then bake them at 325 degrees for about half an hour. For the delicata squash, very, very simple. The first step is similar to the acorn squash. We're just going to be cutting it in half lengthwise and then scooping out the seeds. Then we're going to be slicing it into 1/2-inch strips like this. Now we're going to drizzle these with a little bit of olive oil. Salt. And pepper. And give it a little stir. We'll get them evenly spaced out on a baking sheet that's lined with parchment paper. We'll put it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes. We're gonna flip every piece and put it back in for about 10 minutes after that. This is one of those recipes that's really deceptively simple. This is actually one of my husband's favorite ways to eat squash. And that's it, we're done. These are more like cheat codes than recipes, I know, but I mean, I think that's kind of a beautiful thing. Sometimes you need a time saver. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment if you try it out. Let us know how it works. And also, you know, let me know what your favorite Thanksgiving dish is. I know there's so many things I look forward to every year. Let me know what that is for you. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye, y'all.